and welcome back, friends. My name is Michael Yates, and this is the Ridgeview Pod, where we like to cover everything hope, healing, and recovery related, and at times, apologies. So, Matilyn Lands, welcome back. Glad to have you. Matilyn and I recorded this episode once already, and due to my, shall we say, poor editing skills, well, the product was blurry, and you deserve to see us clearly, right? So thank you for coming back.
Yes, sir. Glad to be here.
I appreciate it, and I apologize. Well, let's just revisit what we had talked about before. Let's start with introducing yourself. Tell us where you are and what your role is with the Department of Health.
Yeah, so my name's Matilyn Lands, and I'm with the Roane County Health Department. I am a health educator. So that means I get out in the community and I do all health topics. Most of my curriculum's evidence-based, and I get to do in the schools, and I get to do with the senior citizens, and it's a good time.
And your office is at the Health Department in Rockwood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And when you talk about curriculums, is it all prevention related, like vaping classes, things of that sort?
So I have prevention, like vaping and things like that. We also teach abstinence,
okay.
But also we do chronic conditions classes. I do diabetes classes. I work with seniors on fall prevention. That way, hopefully, they don't fall, or if they do, we teach them how to properly get up out of the floor. That way, hopefully, it minimizes harm.
So you're working with the full spectrum of life, from
yes.
youth to the elderly population that may be in assisted living?
Yeah, okay. So assisted living, we do income-based. It's any senior. I go to the community centers. We just recently become an aging-friendly health department. So we get all the spectrums for sure.
All right, very nice. When you say evidence-based curriculum, can you name a couple of them? Which ones are they?
Yeah, so I have Health Smarts, which talks on any health topic. When the schools call me, vaping's been a big one that they want, but also I can do hygiene or bullying, mental health topics. So it's all of that comes from Health Smart. We have Hidden in Plain Sight, which is a mock bedroom I can set up and show adults only where youth are hiding products and what to look for.
I recently toured one of those at the Stand Carnival in Oneida.
Okay.
And it was frightening.
It's crazy what's in it. I've had all people from all walks of life go through it. I've had new 18-year-old moms go through it, to grandparents, to seasoned addicts, and nobody ever finds everything.
Yeah, it's if we could parlay the ingenuity that goes into hiding and locating things in a secret way into more productive things,
100%.
We could really advance.
Some things that the youth come up with, like, they are on next level of genius. And I'm like, can you just apply 5% of that to your studies and you'll be going so far?
Yeah. Well, okay, so that's, which of all the things that you do, are you seeing an increase in one request or one type of training, intervention more than another, say in the past year?
In the past year, I would say vaping would be the biggest education that everybody's asking for. It's such a new product. With cigarettes, our education's been for over 100 years, so everybody, like in multiple generations, we know the education, and then also people can see the long-term effects. Vapes are so new, we can't see the long-term effects yet, so really the kids are the guinea pigs of this year to see what's going to happen long-term.
I see, okay. Well, I'm glad my children are now adults and I don't have quite the burden of worry that I once did with that. But I'm glad you're out there fighting the good fight. With respect to community events and things that you may be involved with or that may be coming up, you had sent me information around a community baby shower. Now, is that something that you're facilitating, coordinating, or just involved with?
So I'm coordinating that event. So as a health department, we're involved in a bunch of different events, but that's probably the biggest one that's coming up. So that's going to be August 15th at the Harriman Community Center. And when you think community baby shower, you would think normal baby shower, but on a community level. So there are going to be different resources there. There'll be gifts and giveaways, things like that. Everybody that shows up will get wipes and diapers. And then there'll be, we've had people that have donated car seats and strollers, and there'll be gift boxes, anything. Normal things you would get at a baby shower.
Great. So we'll put that information in the description below. Again, that is Friday, August 15th from 12 to 3 at the Harriman Community Center.
Yeah, and the brand new park and the splash pad will be open as well. So come out and join us and then play too. Will
school be back in at that point?
No.
No, okay. All right.
Yeah, actually school starts back August 4th full time, so yes.
It seems like it is earlier and earlier and earlier,
yeah.
So yeah, okay, well, very good. Well, Matiyln, I'm always interested in, especially people in our field of social human services, how do you take care of yourself?
I have kids of my own that I spend a lot of time with, and we do a lot of outdoor stuff. We have a camper that we've built. It's called a tramper, and our goal is to do all the state parks.
And how far are you in checking off all those state parks?
There are 60 in total as of right now, and I think we have 10.
Oh.
Yeah, and we're scheduled to go to at least 5 already in the coming months.
All right, you're chipping away at it.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, good. I think it's important that we hear and learn from our colleagues out there doing the good work, because it is hard work. How do you take care of yourself? So I always learn from other people, and it's important to be curious about one another in that way. Speaking of curiosity, we also, as you know now, we like to ask a few rapid-fire questions just about odds and ends in our life outside of work.
Yeah.
Just to let people know we're human and that we have interests and nuances to our personality that might sometimes be helpful for people to know. So will you indulge me once more?
Let's do it.
I cannot remember which ones I asked you before, so some of these may be repeats, some of them may be new. You mentioned camping. What is your favorite family vacation?
We like to go to Gulf Shores as our favorite beach destination. We tried a bunch of different ones, and we like that. It's small town. It doesn't feel like we're just going to Sevierville again.
Yep.
And it's quiet, and you can walk there and stay all day. And we've found favorite places to eat there.
Yes, our family's been there as well. It's a great little gem on that Emerald Isle there. There's a island or a fort nearby, isn't there?
Yeah, so you can, right down the road, you can go to Fort Morgan, and you can actually ride a ferry over to Dolphin Island. And there's, like, while you're waiting to get back on the ferry, there's a little, like, shack that serves cheeseburgers, and it's, like, the best cheeseburger ever.
Yeah, okay, it's coming back to me. Yes, I recall. Okay, 2 most used apps on your phone.
Photo Circle, because I take photos for events and things, and I can share them easily. And then also camping trips. Everybody that goes on a camping trip with us, it's easy share, and it goes between Android and iPhone. I don't know.
I've never heard of that app, so that's good to know.
Photo Circle's awesome. And probably Facebook.
Okay, yeah. Do you like to cook?
I love to cook.
All right. Name a meal that you like to cook?
I don't know. We've been trying a lot of different meals with cottage cheese here lately.
Ooh.
I tried one last night. It was Tuscan chicken, and like I was skeptical at first, but if you put it in a blender, you don't have the texture, and it tastes just like cheese. Like, it's amazing.
Well, I'll share. This is just between us, no one else, right? We have a recipe that is cottage cheese, horseradish, and bacon bacon bits mixed together.
You can't go wrong with bacon.
And it's a dip. Oh my gosh, it's
okay.
It's incredible. Yep. So you're going to make that dish, and you're going to invite 3 guests, non-family. Who would you invite to that?
Non-family guest. Probably close friends. I work with a little girl called Matiyln. She's an amazing resource for the community, and we get along really good. She's got 3 kids of her own. Ryan Reynolds, because he should be invited to everything.
Oh, yes. It's coming back.
Coming
I
back.
remember. Yes, Ryan.
I don't know. And then maybe like some entertainment, like a comedy person.
Okay. Yeah. Keep it laughing.
Yeah.
Yep. I like it. Greatest movie of all time?
The Goonies.
Oh.
Or maybe Gremlins.
That does kind of, I can see that with you. That kind of captures the essence of, childhood.
Yeah, the Gremlins.
Fun,
that's kind of what it is at my house,
adventure.
just straight chaos.
Yep. All right. And lastly, would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always 10 minutes early? 20 minutes early.
Oh, 20 minutes, that's a lot. I would love to be early, but that doesn't really happen. I'm normally like right on the cusp of being late.
All right.
I would love to be early though.
All
It's
right.
something I'm working on.
We all have goals, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, Matiyln, thank you again. It was just as pleasurable the second time around. And thank you for your patience. We had hoped to get this published a week ago, but we'll try to get it out here at the end of May. So if you have not subscribed, please do so. We always appreciate you taking time to spend part of your time with us. Take care and be good to yourself.